our lives, like if ever like we encountered suffering, we encountered circumstances, trials, struggles, and sometimes we think that God did not hear our prayers. Sometimes like we think that God punishes us if ever that there are prayers that we keep on praying that still hasn't been answered. So we just really need to think that whatever we encountered in our lives right now, God has purpose in it. So brokenness lead to purpose. Our deepest wants and trials in life are like it brings us a transformation. So sometimes our struggles and trials can really be a living testimony and inspire others, helping them, inspiring them to have hope and for it's a living testimony for redemption. And what stood me out the most when I watched the movie is when Margaret, like one morning, Margaret received a message from God, like the Word of God, relate to Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him and He will make your paths. The Lord with all our heart, with all our soul, and with all our mind, He will really make our paths straight. When there are times when we have so much to take, we really think that we really don't have someone to lean on. But the reality is, God is always there for us. He really helps us each time that we are in struggle, each time that we are confused on what to do next, on what steps that we will take in beyond. So that movie has just really inspired me to we always remind us that we really need to keep on reading the Bible. That each time that we are confused on what to do next, we just really need to submit to God, talk to Him always, give time to spare a moment to talk to Him. So that's it. I'm just really grateful while watching the movie. I'm very blessed. So I really thank Margaret for all of your